Since the dawn of time, human beings have looked to the sky, drawn to the stars that twinkled above them like a million secrets waiting to be uncovered. The night sky, vast, infinite, and ever-changing, has held a powerful allure. And amidst this cosmic sea, one star has stood still, its unwavering light acting as a beacon through the ages. The North Star, Polaris, remains a constant presence in a world of ever-shifting skies. It has guided travelers, inspired myths, and symbolized a connection to something greater than ourselves. But what makes the North Star so unique, so eternal, and why has it captured the imagination of so many cultures throughout history? Unlike other stars that dance across the heavens as the Earth spins beneath them, Polaris holds a fixed position in the northern sky. It remains almost perfectly aligned with the Earth's axis, standing resolute in the midst of a cosmos that moves and evolves. To early astronomers and wanderers alike, this steady presence seemed nothing short of miraculous. It was a star that defied the natural order of the heavens, offering something the world lacked: constancy. In a universe full of chaos and change, the North Star was a symbol of stability, a guiding light that connected all who looked upon it to something greater, something eternal. Throughout the centuries, the North Star has been more than just a star. It has been a symbol of navigation, spirituality, and destiny. For explorers crossing vast oceans, for ancient rulers constructing grand monuments, and for countless cultures seeking meaning in the cosmos, Polaris has been both a physical and a symbolic guide. It offers not only direction across the Earth's surface, but also a deeper connection to the heavens, guiding humanity's understanding of the universe and our place within it. And as we look back at the civilizations that revered it, we see that the North Star's significance transcends time and geography, a constant that has inspired and continues to inspire wonder and reflection. Let us begin our journey in ancient Egypt, where the stars were not just objects of observation, but vital components of a vast, divine cosmic order. For the Egyptians, the sky was home to the gods, a realm beyond the reach of mortals. Though the North Star wasn't the central figure in their celestial understanding, the circumpolar stars, which never set, held an important place in their spiritual worldview. The Egyptians built their pyramids with incredible precision, aligning them not only with the cardinal directions, but also with the stars. Their fascination with the heavens went beyond mere navigation. These stars represented a sacred connection to the divine. For the pharaohs, the stars were not just distant lights, but sacred symbols guiding them into the afterlife. The pyramids themselves were designed as portals to the heavens, a way for the pharaoh to ascend and join the gods in eternal rebirth. While they did not use the North Star in the same way as later cultures, the Egyptians believed in the immutability of the stars, particularly those near the celestial pole. These stars were timeless, never setting, never changing, much like the eternal nature they attributed to the afterlife. The pharaohs, aligned with the stars in life and death, would forever be linked to the heavens. In the Egyptians' worldview, the night sky was a mirror of the divine realm, and the stars were symbols of rebirth and immortality. In many ways, the heavens above were more than just a backdrop for human existence. They were a living, breathing part of the cosmic cycle, influencing every aspect of life, death, and the afterlife. Traveling westward, we arrive in ancient Greece, where the stars were not only objects of myth and wonder, but also the subjects of scientific inquiry. Here, a new understanding of the stars began to take shape, one based on observation, mathematics, and the quest for knowledge. For the Greeks, the stars were not just gods or symbols, but part of a grand, ordered universe governed by laws that could be understood and explored. The North Star, Polaris, became a key part of their celestial understanding. Unlike other stars that seemed to wander across the sky, Polaris remained still, its fixed position offering a beacon of certainty in the ever-changing heavens. In a world defined by exploration, the North Star became indispensable to sailors and travelers, offering a fixed point of orientation in the vast, uncharted oceans. Its reliability was both practical and philosophical, a symbol that, no matter how far one might travel, there would always be something constant, something to guide them home. For Greek astronomers like Hipparchus and Ptolemy, Polaris was not just a tool for navigation. It was the key to understanding the movements of the stars themselves, a way to unlock the mysteries of the universe. To the Greeks, the cosmos was not a chaotic place. It was an ordered, rational system, and Polaris was a symbol of that order. Its fixed position was the axis around which the entire night sky rotated, a pivot point in an otherwise dynamic universe. This idea would go on to influence centuries of astronomy, shaping our understanding of the stars and our place in the cosmos. To the north, far beyond the warm Mediterranean waters, the Vikings sailed the frigid seas of the North Atlantic, using the stars to navigate unknown waters. For these seafaring explorers, the North Star was more than just a navigational tool. It was a symbol of home, guiding them through the endless expanse of ocean. The Vikings were masters of navigation, relying on a combination of celestial observation and tools like the sunstone, a crystal that allowed them to track the sun on overcast days. But in clear weather, it was the North Star that remained their steadfast guide. To them, Polaris was not just a point in the sky. It was a direct link to their northern homeland, a way of staying oriented even in the most perilous of voyages. The North Star represented far more than a means of getting from one place to another. It was the heart of their exploration, their connection to the ancient lands of their ancestors. When the Vikings sailed westward to North America, they carried with them the knowledge of the North Star, its light guiding them through the fog of the unknown. In the vast plains of North America, the North Star was not only a tool for navigation, but a deeply spiritual symbol. For many Native American tribes, the stars were revered as sacred, the pathways of ancestors and spirits. The Dakota people, for example, saw the North Star as a divine guide, leading the souls of ancestors to the afterlife. It was not just a point in the sky, but a link between the living and the spirit world. In the Navajo tradition, Polaris was considered the center of their world, marking the heart of their sacred lands and guiding their people through both the physical and spiritual realms. The North Star represented a point of balance, a place where heaven and earth met. It was a guide for both the body and the soul, a constant reminder of the deep connection between all living things and the cosmos. For these cultures, the stars were not distant lights. They were alive with meaning, woven into the fabric of their beliefs and practices. Far to the east, the ancient Chinese also understood the North Star to be the center of the universe. To them, the heavens were a reflection of cosmic order, and Polaris sat at the very heart of this divine system. In Chinese cosmology, the North Star was seen as the emperor of the heavens, the central ruler around which all other stars revolved. This celestial emperor was not just a symbol of divine power. It was a symbol of harmony, balance, and the interconnectedness of all things. For the Chinese, the North Star was the axis mundi, the cosmic pivot around which the entire universe turned. By aligning their palaces, temples, and cities with the stars, they sought to ensure the stability and harmony of their empire. The North Star was a symbol of celestial power, a reminder that the ruler of the earth was in sync with the ruler of the heavens. From the sands of Egypt to the icy waters of the Vikings, from the sacred plains of Native America to the palaces of China, the North Star has been a guiding light, a symbol of direction, stability, and cosmic order. In a world full of uncertainty, Polaris has been a steady companion, showing us that no matter how far we wander, there is always something fixed, something we can count on.